scaling Power BI testing automation for pharma consulting analytics. Let's take a look at a pharma consulting firm that manages analytics for multiple pharmaceutical clients using Power BI. Starting with the challenges. This pharma consulting firm supported multiple pharmaceutical clients using Power BI dashboards. Each client had several dashboards that required regular validation, and manual testing quickly became a bottleneck. Validating a single complex report could take 30 to 60 minutes. With multiple reports across multiple clients, the effort scaled into hundreds of hours per validation cycle. The challenge was compounded by multiple time-based slicers, creating dozens of data combinations that needed verification. Coming to the solutions implemented, the firm implemented Datagaps to automate Power BI validation. Automated comparisons validated KPI cards against trend charts across all slicer combinations, running checks in parallel within a single data flow. Cross-page and cross-report consistency checks ensured KPIs matched across field-level and headquarters dashboards. Reusable validation templates allow the team to onboard new clients quickly without rebuilding validation logic. Looking at the metrics and outcomes, manual validation time per report was eliminated, saving hundreds of hours annually. Over 30 production pipelines were deployed efficiently using standardized templates. KPI consistency improved across dashboards, and clients gained confidence in the accuracy and reliability of their reports. And finally, the impact we made. The team shifted from manual QA to scalable validation. Data quality became a differentiator, enabling faster client onboarding and more reliable analytics delivery.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Request a free demo, scan the QR code below. Thank you.